Hey guys, I wanted to tell you about a new law of attraction checklist we have at thedominatingedge.com. We have the ability to intentionally cooperate with the universal principles of the law of attraction and manifest the things and life we desire. Let me tell you about this checklist. Step number 1. We need to have a specific desire. The first step in order to manifest anything in life intentionally is a crystal clear, very specific idea of what it is we want. Second, what is your new thought in support of this new desire? We must think and speak as if it's ours. Intentionally removing any thoughts, words, or images that are not in full support of this new reality. We must direct our thought, or we'll continue to get what we have. Third, we must add emotion. We must emotionally believe with enthusiasm that we will manifest this desire. We need to check in with ourselves frequently. And if our mood is happy, positive, hopeful, we're vibrating at a higher level, and we are in the attraction mode. See, our emotion is energy, and energy is magnetic. Fourth, we must look for opportunities to take action. Paying attention to our intuition, our gut feeling, and watch for unexpected opportunities where we can take action toward manifesting this new desire. And finally, gratitude. The more grateful we are during this entire process, giving thanks daily for even the tiniest movement or awareness, the more we'll attract reasons to be grateful in our life. This is the law of attraction. Thanks for listening, and visit us today